There's such an incredible space here, not only inside, you know, the spaces of the classroom are pretty vast, but when you go outside, you see more of a natural environment as a classroom as well, because you can learn so much.
He really not just enjoys being here, but he learns. He learns quite a bit about nature, about sustainability. He learns about environment around him. He cares about it. Beyond that, he combines academics with sustainability and emotional well-being. These 5 pillars that MUSE talks about and represents is really visible in their everyday school life.
You have passion-based learning, you have no tests, no homework.
I would explain MUSE to be unique and fun to learn, and the food's really good because it's plant-based.
I like how it's very, I'd say, organic, and there's a lot of nature. Like there's a bunch of trees and a bunch of greenery. All of it feels like very comfy, kind of like very homey. Like you don't feel like, you feel welcomed.
I like the extracurriculums too. Like I like to have French and Spanish classes. I really love the science class. I learn a lot. And in math class, I get to learn new things that I've never learned before.
One of the things I love about MUSE is the freedom they give the children to be able to create their own curriculum around something that they're passionate about. With passion-based learning, they're able to spend time learning about something that they truly want to learn about and be engaged with.
MUSE Virtual is unlike any other school platform because we take the time to build real connections with our students, and those are necessary to foster productive and meaningful learning experiences.
We integrate mindfulness, passion, social emotional learning, self-reflection, communication, along with the other traditional contents of science, math, and humanities.
As a teacher, it's ideal. Like I can have my set curriculum and then turn it over and see where it goes. And then it's a matter of kind of like managing each student, connecting with them, putting them with each other and creating. And the joy of it comes from seeing where you go. And it's something that I really enjoy and look forward to every day.
MUSE just took everything that I knew was in my child and brought it to the forefront. It's like watching a flower grow on like warp speed. She just loves being educated, and it's because of MUSE. It's different than anything I've ever seen, and it changed the whole dynamic in our house.
MUSE is the best thing that my wife and I found for our kids as a learning environment, and we would never change it, and we were going to keep pursuing and supporting what MUSE is about.